Alright guys, it's currently 2:25 p.m. for me, and this is basically the radar right now. Looks like Galveston has like a whole line of like showers. A little bit of some rain right there. Nothing too major though. I wouldn't be surprised if they issue something. I mean, if you go on Mega Doppler, which y'all seen me do a live stream on, as you can see, there's like a whole, if this could kind of work its magic, there's a whole line of showers really prevalent right here by Galveston. It's going towards Galveston Island, but let me refresh this because it's being weird tonight. Yeah, as you can see right there, there's like there's a whole line of showers right about there. So yeah, checking IEM bot, I don't see anything. It was a flood advisory, but that was like 11 p.m. That didn't last long. I didn't think it was either. Dove deodorant. But yeah, it's two in the morning, and there's rain. Kind of hear the rain outside a little bit too. But yeah, that's what I'm mentioning for now.